Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2000 Hi guys, how you doing? Stu is back. Well, as you can see, the check engine light is gone. I hope this video was very helpful for you. This is what you want to do when your car is stalling or misfiring. Okay, I just show you how to find the problem. You connect the scanner to the computer of your car, then find the codes. I did some homework. I went to the front of the car, to the engine bay, remove the coil, replace it for a new one, put everything back, road test it for a while, as you can see the time in the video, and the check engine light is not back, so that fits it. Like I said, this is what you want to do when your car is stalling, okay? Especially in this 2007 Lexus ES350. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. Alright? If I forget anything, I just put it in the comment box or in the description box for you. Alright? Like I said, I'll catch you up later. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Astuo, burum. Hey, now.